In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image proportionally without cropping in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to make your images larger or smaller while keeping their original aspect ratio intact, and without accidentally cutting anything off. Start by selecting the image you want to resize. Click it once on the canvas so you see the blue bounding box appear around it. Those small, circular handles on the edges are your border dots. If you're clicking and something else is getting selected, you might be inside a group or a frame. Just click directly on the image until you see that clear bounding box around the picture itself. That's your confirmation you're adjusting the image layer, not a parent container or mask. Now use a border dot to resize the image. For proportional resizing, grab one of the corner dots and drag inward to shrink or outward to enlarge. Corner handles naturally keep the width and height growing together, so the image won't stretch or skew. If you drag from a side handle instead, you'll change only one dimension, which can distort the image, so stick to a corner when you want to preserve the original proportions. As you drag, keep an eye on the ghosted preview so you can stop exactly where you need. To avoid unintentional cropping, make sure you're simply dragging the corner handle of the selected image, not entering the crop mode. If you double-click the image and see a different outline with a crop overlay, press Escape to return to normal selection, then resize from the corner handle again. When you resize this way, Figma scales the entire bitmap uniformly, so nothing gets trimmed off the edges. A couple of quick context tips can help you get cleaner results. If your image is very small and you scale it up significantly, it may look blurry because it's a raster file. When possible, start with a higher resolution image if you plan to enlarge it. As you resize, Figma's smart guides can help you align the image with nearby elements or snap to key positions, so don't hesitate to use those visual cues for a tidy layout. And if you're working inside a frame, remember that you're changing only the image layer's size. The frame will keep its own constraints unless you intentionally resize that too. That's it. Click the image, then use a corner border dot to resize it proportionally without cropping. With this simple approach, your visuals stay crisp, balanced, and exactly the size you need.